Say, is it the 30th of June on your where you are in your country? It's the 30th of June right now. Okay, I will need this, gentlemen. Okay, so it's the 30th of June today, 2020. In the month of August 2020, there will be an issue about fire. This fire will will just do a lot of just hovering around about fire in the month of August. That's me perceiving things, and when they happen, it's a confirmation.
I saw a building collapsing. I saw a building collapsing. I saw a building coming down like this. A building just, and how it happened, people were like, what? It just went, a building. You see, with all boldness, we even posted the video where I told you that there will be an issue about fire around the month of August. Dates are coming like this. You get the point. You go in public and you tell people like this, huh? But how do you get to this level? How do you get to walk with God to an extent that you begin to hear him? This, you see, because you can say, when we call people's names and call people's ID numbers, you'll be like, maybe he saw it somewhere. Now, these are nations here. They don't even know. These people don't even know. You get the point right now. And it's not to actually exalt any man, but it's to show God's ability and that God cares, that he will show you things in advance to pray for certain people. Yeah, why are we doing this? We are doing this so that you know that the prophetic is real. Because I've realized and I've come to realize that there are people who are fighting the prophetic now. And I was like, what? Okay, you know? So the prophetic is bigger than you think. The prophetic is here to stay. So if one thinks the prophetic is prophesying people, now let's tell future events. So one can see that the prophetic is not limited by your name is. God can reveal things to his servants. The prophetic is big and it's here to stay.